everyone and welcome back again to my vlog. And for today's vlog, ay ipapakita ko naman sa inyo is mag-unbox tayo ng binili kong air purifier from Lazada. Ilalagay ko lang yung link niya kung saan ko binili. I bought this air purifier for 1,850. Kasama na yung shipping fee. And mabilis lang naman siyang dumating. Parang in-order ko siya and after more than a week, dumating na yung air purifier. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Ito yung box na dumating. As you can see, nakabalot siya ng bubble wrap. So, unbox na natin. Pagkatanggal ko ng bubble wrap, meron pang isa pang plastic layer na nagko-cover dun sa box. So, tingin ko talaga well protected yung box at wala rin namang dent yung box mismo. Pagbukas mo ng box, makikita mo yung styro na nagpo-protect dun sa upper part ng machine. And then, pagtanggal mo ng styro, ayun na agad yung machine. Yung air purifier natin. So, tanggalin na natin sa box. Ito na yung unit ng air purifier pagkatapos kung matanggal siya sa box. And then, nakita ko to, yung mayroon siyang parang leaflet on cleaning and maintenance, problem solution, air cleaner. And then, this air cleaner comes with a remote control. And then, ayan, touch screen ata siya. And then, ayan yung outlet. Ito yung outlet niya. So, basahin. After nating mabuksan yung air purifier, ito na yung kasama niya. Kanina sinabi ko, may kasama siyang leaflet. And then, sa loob, meron siyang remote. And dito sa remote, yung on-off, may timer. Meron rin siyang speed and auto. Tapos sterilize, may sleep function din siya. And then anion, or whatever. Yun, ito yung air purifier. And then sa loob ng leaflet, product info, I think ito yung product info. Yung operational instruction. So, yung timer niya, you can time this air purifier for 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. So, yan. So, ang filtration, kaya binili ko tong air purifier na to kasi alam niyo naman, kailangan malinis yung hangin natin. And kami kasi magkakapatid, very prone kami sa allergic, meron kaming allergic rhinitis. So, any form of usok, dust, or mga basta lalo na yung mga usok-usok coming from yung mga nagsisiga. Lagi kaming nag-allergic rhinitis and then later on, kapag hindi namin yun na-address agad, hinihika kami, lalo na yung brother ko. So, I think this is one of the best solution para at least naman ma-clean natin yung air around us. So, ang nakalagay dito, napili ko tong air purifier na to kasi meron siyang primary filter, HEPA, activated carbon, cold catalyst, and negative ion. Tapos ano siya, may timing function, and then ang product name niya is negative ion air purifier. So, i-add ko na lang rin na meron rin siyang warranty card. So, ang maganda lang dito, kaya ako napili rin to breathe in nature, enjoy fresh air. Kasi it effectively removes, ayan kung nakikita niyo, up to 99.7% ng usok, microorganism of 99.8%, formaldehyde ng 88.9%. Tapos, meron siyang, according to this 3 layers filtration, professional filtration system, intelligent air monitoring, sleep mute mode, air through the network replacement. So, yung air purifier nito is perfect for a 35 square meter to 50 square meter room. And then, it has an acrylic panel touch control, high quality motor with bearing, TVOC odor sensor detects air quality, digital display of indoor temperature, and PM 2.5. So, may 3 layers filtration siya, HEPA filter, remote control, filter replacement reminder, and then 3-speed control. And then, isa pa sa mga maganda is may HEPA filter siya. It efficiently removes PM 2.5, dust, bacteria, pollen, and smoke. And meron rin siyang activated carbon for absorption and decomposition of formaldehyde, phenol, smoke, and mold in the air. So, dilinis niya sana. Hopefully, malinis niya talaga yung air namin dito sa bahay, or ma-improve yung air quality natin. So, let's get on to the video at i-check na natin kung gumagana or nagpa-function ba yung binili nating air filter. Pag na-plug mo na siya sa outlet, just turn it on. So, after mo siyang ma-on, mag-automatic function siya, and then the machine or the air purifier will check the air quality. So, nakita nyo, may poor, medium, and good. Ayan, chine-check pa rin niya yung air quality pagka-on. At this time, makikita ninyo na ang hangin namin is medium. So, nililinis pa ng air purifier yung air quality na nasa living room namin. And then, kapag nalinis niya na yung air surrounding sa amin, ayan, nag-change na siya to good. So, ibig sabihin, nalinis niya na yung hangin na nasa living room namin. Dito sa display board, makikita mo rin yung room temperature. As of the moment, it's 29 and then nag-30 degrees Celsius. And then, pwede mo rin gamitin yung timer na 1 to 8 hours. Depende kung ilang oras mo siya gustong iset at mag-function. Meron rin siyang function na i-open mo yung negative ion para mas malinis yung air. And then, pwede mo rin i-on yung UV, which is to sanitize the whole room. So, ayan yung mga functions niya. Add ko lang na yung HEPA filter is good for 7 months and magpa-prop siya kung kailangan na siyang palitan. So, that's it for now. Babalitaan ko na lang kayo kung nabawasan na ba yung incidents naming magkakapatid ng allergic rhinitis sa paggamit ng air purifier. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and to subscribe to my channel. And stay safe, everyone. Bye!